Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to create an assignment on MyOpenMath and then print it out multiple version. So let's say you're gonna go here, you're gonna create an assignment. So let's say, for example, over here, I will say exam one, for example. Yeah. And then you're gonna because you print it out, so you don't need to do anything. You don't need any setup over here. So just go over this way. Click on this, and then we're gonna choose assignment. So there are more than one way to choose the assignment, but to like you're gonna create an assignment due from the assessment from the class. So for example, I'm gonna go to select assessment. So let's say I'm gonna use the homework. Like let's say I'm gonna use homework 1.1, 1.2, and so many things that you want to. So for example, you need to choose from. So then I click on here. So I'm gonna have the whole click up all the one right here. So I'm gonna review and this one here, I want to see which one I like to choose. So for example, I click on this one. So I like this one. So I'm gonna click on here. And let's say I'm gonna click on this one. I like this one. So I'm gonna choose this one right here. So let's say that this one right here. And then I'm gonna choose, I like this one right here. So I'm gonna choose this one. You're gonna review it first, so you're gonna choose this, right? And then I go to the next one. So let's say I'm gonna do here, try the main function on the graph. I view this one, so I like this one. So you're gonna select what from the homework and which question you like, and then you're gonna choose this here. So you go in the bottom right here at the corner right here. You have the word add right here, so you add to that. So you have this one right here. So let's say I'm gonna looking for another question that maybe it's not on this list. So for example, I'm gonna choose the question like, let's say, divide complex number. So for example, like this, divide complex number. Uh, um, so for example, something that you don't see on the list of the question that you don't like it, but you will like something else, you're gonna do right here, right? So you're gonna choose search. So I have a whole bunch of them for here for you to choose from. So let's say I'm gonna like this one, for example, right? So I look at this here. Also, I like this one. Maybe I don't like this one because it have that divide thing weird. So maybe this one, maybe that's not like what I like too. Maybe I like this one, for example. So I'm gonna choose this, for example, right? So you can choose what you like to do. Again, you can put the keyword here. You can put more than one word. They can do that for you. Yeah, so you have this. So when you have this done here, you're gonna set how many point you set for each. So for example, I'm gonna set over here would be um 5 questions. So I'm gonna have over here, I'm gonna do is like 4 point each. For example, I do like that. So a total 20 right here. You can set up different over here. I can set this one like 5. The other ones, for example, I can do like this here. I can do this one a 5 right here. For example, I do this 5 and maybe this one over here is easier. I can do 3. I can change thing like this. And that's one. So after I set this total 20, and then you're gonna print it. So you're gonna go over here. It's a print version right here. So you're gonna go to this one right here. Yeah. Then you how many version that you want to print? Like, let's say I want 5 version, right? 5 right here, 5 version. So it's gonna print for me 5 different version. But for example, over here I just print 2 to show you the 2 different. And then that's what they give is right here. So you have that they're gonna print out multiple version with the answer in there over too. So whatever you want to, then do this one here. But this is what like most people want to do right here. So form A 1, 2, 3, form B 1, 2, 3. So it's separate like that, and it can have everything right here. So after this, you're gonna click on continue, and then it's gonna print it for you. You want the dark kind of graph, you can do it here. You got double side image, you can do right here. So you can do that part, and then you're gonna go here, convert to Word, right? So I tap right here. This one right here, I tap for you. So when you open it, so you will see here form 1, you can add more instruction in here if you want to, right? Show like for form A, and then you say they show work for full credit, all right, for full credit. Yeah, and then you can add um Then you can add, you can leave the space in between. You can do, it's already set up for you right here. So question 1, 5 point, question 2, 2 point, and you can change however you want to. I can make more space here. I can do all of that, but you can set all you want. And then below right here, it have here's the answer. It's gonna be right here. Yeah. No, this is just, no, this is this one here. So this is another form right here, and then you will have your answer. It prints out on the bottom here, form 1 right here, form 2 right here, and have the answer in here. So you can make this one in no time. You can make how many, a different version if you want to, and you can modify it after this. I hope it helped.